Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually increase the sales on your eBay account. Now, if you're dropshipping on eBay, there's certain elements that you need to keep in mind, and there's certain tips and tricks that you need to keep in mind as well. And if you're not using an effective strategy, then you've come to the right place, because we're going to show you exactly how you can scale your business and effectively use the tools that are available on eBay to become a successful eBayer. Now, one of the things that you have to keep in mind and understand is that all the tools that you require to scale your business are available, but how you do it is what you need to find out. And firstly, the most important thing is understanding eBay. eBay is a platform where you can buy, where you can sell, and where you can actually trade. There's a lot of categories available, such as electronics, motors, fashion, collectibles, arts, health and beauty, industrial equipment, and home and gardens. Now, these are all the main categories. Under the main categories, you have subcategories which you can easily enter. Now, one of the mistakes which a lot of people tend to make, and individuals that do not understand how to effectively implement the strategy, is selecting every single niche and a product in every single category. That is the wrong way to go. You need to understand the dynamics, the methodology, the strategy, the know-how of exactly how eBay tends to work, the optimization and algorithm implementation that exists within the system of eBay. And once you understand the algorithm, you can understand the methodology and develop a strategy that you can implement, execute, and scale at the same time. So what we're going to do today is show you exactly what you need to do. Let's select a category. Now, I personally believe selecting a category is one of the most crucial first elements in understanding the dynamics of eBay, because there's so many categories available, and once you select a category, there are many subcategories that are available. As you can see, you have cell phone and smartwatches, you got computers and tablets, TV, videos, cameras and photos, video games, consoles, surveillance and smart home devices, audios and headphones, and apples and car electronics and GPS. Now, the thing is that a lot of individuals try to enter every single sub niche, which is the wrong thing to do. You need to pick a particular theme, a particular niche, a particular subcategory that does not cost you a lot of money. The investment needs to be low and the scalability needs to be high, where you can increase your profit margin and become financially independent. And I personally believe the very easiest and more interesting methodology and niche to enter is the subcategory where you have cell phones and cell phone cases and covers, because this is the cheapest and yet the most luxurious element and sub niche to enter, because the actual entry point is quite low, but this is a product which breaks all limitations. Now, you might be asking, what are limitations? Limitations such as age, limitations such as genders, limitations just as locations. Everyone around the globe has a cell phone, and everyone needs a case for their cell phones. It doesn't matter if you're in the United States, in Canada, in Australia, South Africa, Argentina, Peru, or Russia for that matter. You could be in China or even in Japan. If you have a phone, you need a case to protect that phone. You could be 10, you could be 30, you could be 60, you could be 100. You still need a cover. It could be winter or it could be summer. You would still need a cover, and that is the limitation that this subcategory tends to break. Now, once we enter the subcategory, we can see that there's a lot of options available, and there's a lot of individuals that are selling different products at different price ranges. Now, if you want to enter this particular niche, how do you do it? That is a question that you would be asking yourself, and there's a lot of individuals that enter this particular niche, but they don't start selling, and they feel that they get stuck and think that this is a bad niche to enter to. That is where you go wrong. You have the wrong strategy, you have the wrong methodology, and you're implementing it in the wrong way. You need to understand exactly what you need to do, and that is what we're going to show you today. As you can clearly see, the amount of individuals that are selling this product are actually making a lot of money, but they are on the first page. So how do you come on the first page? So let's search for phone cases. Now, as we search for phone cases, what we're going to see is the fact that there's going to be some people right on the top over here. This is a person who is top rated seller who is sponsored. Sponsored literally means that they've paid to come on the first page. They might not have optimized their listing, but they've paid to come on the first page. All these individuals that exist on the first page are individuals that have the right knowledge, that have implemented implemented the right strategy, have used the right methodology, and have understood exactly what they need to do and how they need to do it. As we scroll down, we're going to come to the end of this page, and as we reach the end of the page, you'll see that there's so many pages available. Let's go to page number 9. Now, individuals selling on page number 9 are people that do not understand exactly what they need to do. The top one over here are all sponsored because they've paid to be right on the top. Then comes all the individuals that are selling this product but do not know the consequences or methodology of being in the bottom. As you can see, the sponsored ones are all the ones that come on the top, but the other ones are ones that come in the bottom. So what you need to do is head over to your Sellers Hub. Now, before you head over to the Sellers Hub, the one thing that you need to understand is the research element over here, because once you research for phone cases, you can see the amount of individuals that are making a lot of money in 1 year. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see that this is a product that has made $284,000 for one individual. As a total market, they've made $17.7 million. They've been selling every single day of every single month throughout the year. And you can see all these individuals made $45, $55, $41, $30, $28, $33,000. And so could you. So what you need to do is head over to marketing. Now, once you click on marketing, there's going to be certain elements available, such as the merchandising, the promotions, the markdown sales, the buyers, and the dashboard. Now, once you click on the merchandising, you need to actually get a plan for it. You need to subscribe. You can go for the yearly subscription or the monthly subscription. I always mention, guys, start off small, then gradually start increasing your ability. You can start with starters, then go to basics, then go to premium, then go to anchor, and then always reach the enterprise. Now, as you start with a starter, there's a lot of elements that you're going to get extra with it. For example, $250 per month for free fixed pricing, free auction $250, fixed price at 30 cents, the additional auctions at 30 cents, final value cap at $750, and a final value fee of 2 to 12.2%. Now, these are all the elements that are available. You get promotional manager, markdown manager, subscriber discounts, home store home pages, link to the eBay store as a listing as well. Now, as you go ahead, you'll be able to see the elements that you'll be able to get as a premium and as an anchor. Now, once you've done that, once you've got an account, then you're all set. The second thing is looking at the dashboard for advertising. Once you click on dashboard, you're gonna go and be able to choose your campaign types. There's two campaign types, the standard and the advanced. The standard is where you get simple setup and you pay only when you sell, and it appears ads across the eBay network, including search and listing pages, and pay per sales. It could be a simple one that you want to create where sellers can prefer a guided experience and visual listing and rate selection with recommendations. It could be a bulk one where you will be selling who prefers to promote in bulk and consistent inventory with low turnover rates. Or you can go for the automated one as well, where sellers who prefer a quick setup, daily ad rate updates, and automated selling promotions. Or you can also go for the advanced, for target top slots of search with additional controls and pay per click for bids of the top slots in search for using keywords and budget control, as well as pay per click. Now we're going to go for the automated one. All you need to do is click on create a campaign, and as you click to create a campaign, you'll be able to choose all the elements that you require: your name of your campaign, the rules for your listing, choosing your ad rate strategy as well. And all you need to do once you put all that information is click on launch. It is that simple and straightforward, and your actual listing is going to be promoted and it'll come right to the top. And then you'll be able to sell to anyone that searches for that particular product. If you find anything difficult, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.